I would like to give you a quick update on something new on Meeting C++. I'm launching a recruiting service, and this is basically an update to the job section, and let's have a look. First, I would like to give you a short overview about what Meeting C++ is and some numbers. So if I start with the numbers, the website has grown quite a bit, and last year we had over 200,000 visits. The social media, we have Meeting C++ has become really one of the #1 sites for C++, and we quite have a good outreach into the community. So if you're looking for C++ developers, I can really help you find the right people. This is the social media growth from last year, from 2,000 to something about 5,000. Currently we're at 6,000 already. And of course, what is Meeting C++? You might not know anything about it. So first and foremost, it's a conference once a year, and this conference gives us the funding to do the other work which I do. First and foremost, I do a lot of community work for the C++ user groups, and one of the goals behind Meeting C++ is to build a network for C++, and part of this networks are the user groups. For example, those are the active user groups in Europe by end of 2014, and in 2011 there were 2 active user groups, and it's part of the success of Meeting C++ is that a lot more user groups have been started in 2012, 2013, and last year. And this year we will continue to get more user groups running in Europe. And part of that also is to spread C++ related news and content like blog entries, and I also have my own C++ blog. And as part of this network now, I want to give some new part that I want to integrate companies better, which currently only are integrated as sponsors for the event, and now I want to have companies who are looking for C++ developers actively have integrated into the Meeting C++ network, and through the recruiting service is that going to happen. And now let's talk about exactly this. So this Meeting C++ recruiting service is made up of 2 components. The first is the listing, which is the basic version of the recruiting service, where you as an employer are listed in the job section, and people can look at your profile and see what company you are, and that way you're visible to the community. And at the other part is the recruiting service itself, where people are able to send their CVs to me, and I will forward them then to the companies which are also taking part in this second building block, which is the premium version, getting the CVs. And let's have a look at this. So there's the candidate. He sends the CV to me. I forward it to the employer listing, and then if there's a match, you can contact the candidate or the candidates which you think are fitting for your company. So there's no headhunter involved, there is no cold calling, there's only candidates who are actually actively looking for a job, which are forwarded to you, and you then can contact those who are the fitting candidates for your positions. And on the other hand, if you're in the listing, the candidates also can and will directly contact your company and see that you're available there. And so as a starting offer, I will give you in February 20% off for the listing and 25% off for the premium listing, which is a version where you also get the CVs forwarded. Please contact me for more details on this. info@meetingcpp.com, and also you can send me your CV if you looking for a new job. And currently there are already 2 companies participating in this. The first company participating in this is Bloomberg. Bloomberg, I have since last year a deal with that I'm looking for talented C++ programmers for them. So if you're interested to work for Bloomberg, you directly send the CV to me, and I forward it to them already. And also ThinkTel, longtime sponsor of Meeting C++, is also looking for talented C++ programmers, and both companies are very, very challenging to work for. And so those are the first 2 companies who have joined the program. And if you send me your CV, it will be forwarded to those companies. And that's the recruiting service. So if you're a company and you want to be listed, please contact me. And if you want to find a new job, maybe, contact me, send me your CV.